So the benefits to breastfeeding for mom are decreased risk of lots of different kinds of cancer: endometrial cancer, ovarian cancer, breast cancer. Moms who breastfeed have a lower rate of type 2 diabetes. For babies, the rates of diabetes are less, the rates of obesity and asthma are less, the rates of ear infections and gastroenteritis or stomach flu are less. The list just goes on and on about the benefits of breast milk for babies and for moms. Moms should have a space to pump, particularly employees should have a space that's private and that's not a bathroom. And so we provide that here at Duke. We have private spaces with privacy curtains and pumps available for moms to express their breast milk. Ideally, there's a sink in the room or nearby so mom can wash her hands before pumping and wash her equipment, the pumping equipment, afterwards. So it is true that some moms prefer a private space to either breastfeed their baby or to pump their breast milk, and we want to be able to provide that option also, in addition to welcoming breastfeeding anywhere. So we have lactation rooms that moms can use scattered throughout our facilities, and we also have the new lactation pods that are going to be available for moms to use to breastfeed or to pump.
Produced by the Office of Communication Services, online at today.duke.edu/working.